Welcome. If you want to unlock the full power of chatting with friends and players in any Roblox experience on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest update on how to enable Experience Direct Chat in the Roblox app, making sure you never miss a message again. Let's get started. First, open up your Roblox app on your PC. Once you're in, look for the More icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots and can be found at the bottom or side of your screen, depending on your layout. Click on it to reveal more options. Next, select Settings. This is your control center for all things privacy, security, and communication on Roblox. Inside Settings, find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is where you manage who can interact with you and how you communicate on the platform. Now, look for the Communication tab. Click on it, and then choose Experience. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see different options for how you can chat with others while playing Roblox experiences. Under the Direct Chat section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Everyone. By choosing this option, you're allowing yourself to send and receive direct messages with any player in the same experience, not just your friends. This is perfect for making new friends, teaming up, or just having a fun conversation with anyone you meet in-game. Once you've made these changes, your settings will update automatically. If you don't see chat working right away, try restarting the app or logging out and back in. Also, keep in mind that if your account is under 13, some chat features may still be limited for safety reasons. And that's it. You've now enabled Experience Direct Chat for everyone on your Roblox app for PC. Enjoy a more connected and interactive Roblox experience, and happy chatting.